आगे कॉफ़ी बनाना इतना मुश्किल होगा। कॉफ़ी सिर्फ एक ड्रिंक नहीं होती है, कॉफ़ी एक फीलिंग होती है और उस फीलिंग के पीछे छुपी होती है एक आर्ट। आज मैं हूं भारत के दिल के बीचों बीच इंदौर शहर में और मैं मिलने वाला हूं एक कॉफ़ी एक्सपर्ट से, जिनके साथ मिलकर हम ट्राई करेंगे 3 अलग अलग ब्रूइंग मेथड और जानेंगे कैसे आर्ट ऑफ ब्रूइंग से एक ही कॉफ़ी अलग अलग तरह से टेस्ट करती है।
Guys, that's Ananya, the coffee expert that I was talking about. So Ananya, please introduce yourself to my audience.
Well, hi guys, I'm Ananya. I'm also known as Bean to Brews on Instagram and YouTube. I do coffee content. I started off as a home brewer and now I do coffee workshops all across India. So that's about me.
So should we start with our experiment?
Definitely. Let's get started.
So अनन्या, हम आज सबसे पहले कौन सा मेथड ट्राई कर रहे हैं?
सबसे पहले हम सबसे आसान मेथड ट्राई करने वाले हैं जो है कोल्ड ब्रू। कोल्ड ब्रू बनाना सबसे आसान इसलिए है क्योंकि यू डू नॉट नीड एनी स्पेशल इक्विपमेंट, यू जस्ट नीड अ कंटेनर, अ मैश बैग एंड सम ग्राउंड कॉफ़ी, पिसी हुई कॉफ़ी। हम यूज़ करने वाले हैं एक मेसन जार, देन वील यूज़ अ मैश बैग एंड देन वील हैव सम ground coffee. So since it stays in the water for a longer period of time, we tend to grind it a bit coarser. So it results in a very sweeter output compared to a fresh brew.
Really?
Really? Well, you should try it out. First, we are going to take a mason jar.
Okay.
Then we are going to place our mesh bag inside it. Once that's perfectly placed, then we are going to put in our freshly ground coffee. So now I'd like you to put in the ground coffee inside the mesh bag.
Your coffee expert is here. Okay.
So now we have put in the ground coffee. अब हम इसके अंदर पानी डालेंगे, तो हम एक रूम टेम्परेचर वाला पानी यूज करेंगे। And we have taken 20 grams of coffee, so we will use 200 ml of water. Now your question would be, why 200 ml? So for any...
And why 20 grams?
Yeah, so 20 grams we are using it for a 1-person recipe.
Okay.
And for any cold brew recipe, you use ratios. So for every 1 gram of coffee, you can use either 8 grams of water, that is 1:8 ratio.
Okay.
Or if you want a lighter, ready-to-drink version, you use for every 1 gram of coffee, around 10 grams of water.
Okay.
So for this recipe, we will be using 1:10 ratio. So for 20 grams of coffee, we will be using around 200 ml water.
Okay.
So we have put the mason jar on the scale. तो अब आपको जो करना है सिर्फ इसके अंदर थोड़ा 200 ml पानी डालना रहेगा.
From this bottle?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is room temperature water. So now carefully pour it in.
Okay. And do we see it here? क्या?
Yeah, right now nothing would have. Yeah, you can see it on the scale. I'll tell you when to stop. Yeah, keep pouring, keep pouring.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it, that's it.
Okay.
So we have put in around 200 ml of water, and then we'll seal this bag and keep it in the refrigerator for around 22 to 24 hours.
Okay.
So we'll let this steep overnight. ये मैंने मेसन जार लगा दिया है. अब ऐसा का ऐसा आप फ्रिज के अंदर रख दीजिए, इसको ओवरनाइट ब्रू होने दीजिए, and it would look something like this. So I've already made the cold brew because this would take overnight to brew. So as you can see the difference in color, this one is very light right now, but as the contact time increases with water, it will result in this beautiful deep and dark color. Would you like to try it out?
Yeah. So थोड़ा सा मैं amateur लैंग्वेज में आपको समझाता हूँ। सबसे पहले स्टार्टिंग में हम इसको ऐसे बनाएंगे एंड फिर जब हम इसको ओवरनाइट या 22-24 घंटे के लिए रेफ्रिजरेटर में रखेंगे तो ये फाइनली ऐसा हो जाएगा। एंड दिस इज द फाइनल आउटपुट।
Yes.
Should I go ahead and try?
Definitely.
I'll take one more sip. Also, sip करने का कुछ like is there a trick like when we sip in wine
So ऐसा बोलते हैं ना, you need to
Yeah,
keep it.
so for when you
Keep it.
experience
But it's,
coffee,
I mean, पहली बार मैं कुछ sweeter texture वाली coffee in the black coffee try कर रहा हूँ. It's actually थोड़ा सा
yeah, so it wouldn't be like sweet, but yeah, it would remind you of a fruit.
yeah punch,
Yeah.
like fruit punch
Yeah.
sort of. कुछ तो how do you like say?
Yeah, so I'll simplify it for you. So if you see, black coffee or coffee isn't just black, it's brown, and it doesn't have to be always bitter. There is some sweetness to it, there is some acidity to it, and similar to wine, it has also got lovely flavor profiles. So in a cold brew, you tend to extract a lot of deeper flavor notes. So it wouldn't remind you, when I say I'm getting dark chocolate and cherry notes, it wouldn't be exactly dark chocolate and cherry, but something your tongue experiences while you're eating that particular thing or drinking it. So जब आप dark chocolate खाते हो, तो आपके टंग में एक अलग बिटरनेस महसूस होती है, एक स्वीटनेस महसूस होती है.
ये
तो आपको
like वो same effect है. I mean, I feel the coffee and I feel the bitterness and I feel the like sweet pinch of it, but I can call it कि पूरा sweet है. But it's very different than whatever I have tried so far.
Yeah. अब हम अगला मेथड ट्राई करेंगे जो है एरोप्रेस. सो एरोप्रेस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट easiest and most versatile brewing equipments. तो इसके अंदर आपने जैसे कोल्ड ब्रू ट्राई की, तो आप एक वैसी बॉडी भी ला सकते हो और एक एस्प्रेसो लाइक कॉन्सेंट्रेशन भी ला सकते हो. ये इतना कन्वीनियंट है यूज़ करना कि आप इसको एरोप्लेन में भी बना सकते हो. आप whenever you are traveling you can carry this around. आपको बस एक एरोप्रेस चाहिए, फिल्टर पेपर्स चाहिए, कॉफ़ी चाहिए और ग्राइंडर चाहिए और कुछ नहीं. एरोप्रेस इज अ ब्रांड नेम, बट it is at its core an immersion and vacuum brewer. So immersion and vacuum brewer मतलब
एक मिनट मैडम, थोड़ा सा हमारे दर्शकों को आप डिटेल में समझाएंगे?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, I'm coming to that. So when I say immersion and vacuum brewer, तो जब भी हम इसमें ग्राउंड कॉफी डालेंगे तो आप इसमें पानी भी डालोगे and it stays with the water for a longer period of time, and that is called immersion. And vacuum, because once you have put in the ground coffee, once that immersion has taken place, then when you press it, the vacuum is created and the coffee is extracted. Hence, immersion and vacuum brewer.
Okay. Hence AeroPress.
Yes. So to make an AeroPress, we need the following equipments. सबसे पहले हमको एक weighing scale लगेगी, फिर AeroPress, coffee beans, एक coffee grinder और AeroPress के लिए filter paper.
Okay. What is this like filter paper made of and what's the significance?
This filter paper is specifically for like coffee brewing, and this helps to make sure that any fines do not enter your cup of coffee, so you don't get grounds directly in your cup. And once you wet the filter paper, it can help you brew the coffee more effectively. The more you add filter papers, the juicier or cleaner cup you get. So आज जो हम beans use करने वाले हैं वो एक एस्प्रेसो ब्लेंड है. तो तीनों मेथड्स के अंदर अभी हमने जो कोल्ड ब्रू बनाया है, फिर एरोप्रेस बना रहे हैं हम, और फिर जो अगला साउथ इंडियन फिल्टर बनाएंगे उसके अंदर हम सेम बीन्स यूज करेंगे, बस हर एक का ग्राइंड साइज अलग अलग रहेगा. सो दीज बीन्स आर एन एस्प्रेसो रोस्ट प्रोफाइल. ये मीडियम डार्क रोस्ट है. So they have the flavor notes of dark chocolate, sugars, honey, like honey, caramel, dark chocolate, and a bit of spice notes to it. So you wouldn't exactly get those flavor notes, but your tongue would experience a similar sensation when you try the coffee and when you try the dark chocolate or the flavor notes in general. Okay, so now we are going to measure out the beans.
Okay.
So I've already set the grinder to 14 clicks. So हर एक grinder की अपनी setting रहती है. I'm using a Timor C3 grinder. So इसके अंदर AeroPress के लिए हम 14 clicks use करने वाले हैं आज की रेसिपी के लिए.
And what's the C3 in this?
So C3 is just a model name.
Okay.
So there is Timor C2, C3, C3S. So they have got multiple lovely grinders.
And it's easy for newbies to use.
Definitely, and it is one of the best entry level grinders which anyone could have, because as coffee is expensive, coffee equipments are even more expensive. So this is one of the most affordable and better options to use. So we are going to measure out around 20 grams of coffee beans. It's okay, we can spill a few beans here and there. So then I'll need your help in grinding these coffee beans.
Love to help you.
So before grinding, if you grind like this, it's a bit hard. So what I like to do is I take it back and then I grind it like that. So it's easier.
Oh, looks so smooth. जब कोई और कर रहा है तो.
Yeah, just take it back and then do it fast.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's easier, right?
And how many times or how do we get to know that it's done? It gets smoother?
Yeah, it gets smoother. So अभी जैसे ये अटक रहा है, once it's done, it would like run smoothly. So you can just push it and it will move.
टाइम का कोई लिमिट नहीं है.
टाइम का कोई लिमिट नहीं है, but if the coffee is set for a finer setting, it will take a lot of time to grind it and a lot of effort would be required. Whereas if the coffee has got a coarser grind size, not only it would grind faster, but it would be easier to grind it. So it's moving smoothly, that means our coffee has been grinded.
Grind it. Over to you, ma'am.
Yes. So now we'll see our ground coffee. So I'll put it in this cup. Now you see, when we did the cold brews, the grind size was very coarse, whereas this is at a medium grind size. But अगर हम एक South Indian filter का grind size देखेंगे side by side, so the South Indian filter tends to be a bit more finer, whereas an AeroPress is a bit coarser than that, but not as coarse as the cold brew. So हर एक brewing method का एक अलग-अलग grind size रहता है.
And I can see बहुत slight difference है, but difference है.
बिल्कुल. So now we'll begin with the brewing. So we have grinded around 20 grams of coffee for the AeroPress. We'll be using the inverted method. So there are two methods in which you can make an AeroPress. One is the regular one, where the brewer is placed like that, and the other one is an immersion flipped method, inverted method. So हम इसके अंदर हमारे प्लंज को 4 तक पुल करेंगे. Make sure that the brewer is straight and not tilted, so that water does not fall. Then we'll switch on our scale, and now I want you to put around 20 grams of ground coffee.
सब कुछ मैं ही कर रहा हूँ. What would you do?
मैं आपको बता रही हूँ. Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. You can just put it. That's it. So we'll just dust off the excess. So we have put in around 20 grams of ground coffee. Now we have preheated the water. The water has been heated to 90 degrees Celsius. So पानी भी कभी भी उबलता हुआ नहीं लेते हैं कॉफ़ी ब्रू करते टाइम. हर एक ब्रूइंग मेथड का अलग वाटर टेम्परेचर रहता है, बट यूजुअली आई गो फॉर अराउंड अ स्केल ऑफ 90 to 92 degrees, which is just before boiling. So now we'll add around 40 ml of hot water. So I'll start the timer and I'll show you how to pour. So we'll pour it in a circular motion.
Okay.
So I started the timer, and
The smell.
yeah, so we've roughly put around 40 grams of hot water. Now we'll take a wand, you can take a spoon also, and then we'll gently agitate it, stir it. This is to make sure that the
Coffee is mixed.
yes, and there is no air gaps left.
So
So we'll let it sit for 10 more seconds. And then we'll pour in the rest of the water. I think we can start pouring. So now I want you to take it to 100.
Okay.
Yeah. That's it. No worries. So I want you to do agitation twice. So like 1, 2. Like in a circular motion. Yeah.
Done?
That's it. Yeah, done. Yeah, you can keep it aside. So we do this to make sure that the coffee mixes well with water and the immersion happens properly.
Okay.
So once that's done, once this goes till around 25, we'll pour in the water till around 180 to 200. Yeah, I think we can start pouring now. Yeah, pour it in a circular motion. Yeah, so what I want you to do is place your other hand on top of this and use that as a support to pour it in a circular motion. Yeah, it's okay. You can do it. आगे से.
कभी नहीं सोचा था कि कॉफी बनाना इतना मुश्किल होगा.
बस.
That's it.
So we have put around 200 ml water
Okay.
for 20 grams of ground coffee. इसमें भी 1:10 ratio use किया है, but this would taste completely different from the cold brew. And this is because of contact time with water temperature and brewing methods.
And is it also like depending on the mood that when you have this one or this one, is there a theory like that?
Maybe mood, but mostly it's the difference in brewers. So now what we are going to do is we are going to wet our filter paper. Once that's done, we'll place it on top of the AeroPress.
Why did we wet the paper, like filter?
We do it to ensure
Sanitize or?
so that it sticks to the plant.
Okay.
Yeah. Cool. So now we are going to remove the air bubbles. Yeah. The air bubbles have been removed and our coffee is ready to be extracted. So when you do the extraction, you do not do it on a scale since a lot of pressure will be involved. So we'll be taking a carafe and place the brewer like that and gently put even pressure. So I want you to put your hand like this and put even pressure. I'll hold the carafe for you. Okay. Yeah. Dheere dheere.
Is it happening?
Yeah. Just start putting pressure. Yeah. Dheere dheere. Even. Make sure that this is straight. Yeah. Don't stop. Just put even pressure. And that's it. That's how you make an AeroPress. So you have to keep doing it till it's like completely down.
Wow. I love the sound also.
Yeah. It's almost rain-like sound.
Yeah.
This is so that even pressure is put. If I use my palm like this, maybe there might be too much pressure on one side.
Okay, I feel that. Is it done?
Yeah, I think so.
I can't put more pressure.
Yeah, I think that.
It's done.
Yeah, it's done. So
We
now
have our AeroPress.
AeroPress is ready. So now I'll show you an interesting thing. How to know that you have put even pressure? You will see the forbidden chocolava cake, which is also called the puck. So if you see, there are no cracks visible in this puck That
I
means
did it right.
yes, you did it right. So, our AeroPress is ready. You can take a whiff.
Yeah. Oh my god. Mostly ना मैं like coffee के taste से ज़्यादा I love it for the smell of it.
Yeah.
Nice. Cheers.
So now we can try out the AeroPress. Now you tried the cold brew, right? So since we are using the same coffee and we happen to use the same ratios, I want you to try this out and let me know what do you think of the taste and how these both are different. Just a simple overview.
I might be wrong, but what I can feel is जो sweetness वाला portion था, it has reduced, and I feel more of coffee.
Okay.
Is it right? Or-
Well, that's your experience with it. So, a cold brew spends more time with water, the coffee spends more time with water in a colder atmosphere, in fridges or a controlled environment. Whereas in an AeroPress, there is like almost piping hot water and vacuum pressure is being used as well as immersion is being done for a shorter period of time. Therefore, the same coffee tastes very different.
True. Taste is different. I'm not probably able to explain how different it
No
is.
worries.
But yeah,
No worries.
like I said, it feels more like coffee.
Well, that's the best way. If you are tasting coffee, that means you have done it right.
So now we are moving to the third brewing method, which is
The South Indian filter. So this brewer is one of the most easily available brewers in India. So unlike the AeroPress, so in AeroPress we can use a paper filter as well as a metal filter, whereas in a South Indian filter we use a metal base as the filter. So इसमें क्या रहता है कि जो पेपर फिल्टर रहता है वो कॉफी ऑयल्स को एब्जॉर्ब कर लेता है, तो आपको जो कॉफी मिलती है इट टेस्ट्स अ बिट मोर फ्रूटियर. Whereas in the metal filter, you get the oils also. The oils are also extracted. So you get a bit more bolder
Strong
profile.
taste of it.
Yeah. You get different flavor notes in that same coffee. So today we will be making an iced filter coffee latte as well as an iced Americano version just using the South Indian filter.
cool.
So to make a South Indian filter, we'll need the South Indian filter, then a grinder and some coffee beans. So I'll be using the same beans as we used in the other two methods, an espresso blend. You can also use easily available ground coffee for South Indian filters. So let's get started. First, I have already measured and grinded around 20 grams of coffee at 11 clicks in the Time Mode C3. So the coffee has been grinded and now we are going to put it in the South Indian filter. So let's switch on the scale. So you can put the ground coffee.
सारे मुश्किल काम आप मुझे करवा रहे हैं.
क्या मुश्किल है इसमें, सिर्फ कॉफी डालनी है इनको. And all the brewing methods which we have featured in this video are the easiest ones which you can get started with.
Okay, it's done.
It's done. So we are going to even this out. Now there are multiple ways in which you can make a South Indian filter, but we are going to use the simplest one. So first we have evened out the coffee grounds. Now we are going to place the tamp and make sure that's it's even. And that's it. Now we are going to pour in the hot water. Can I get the kettle?
Yes, all yours.
Cool. So we have heated the water around 90 to 92 degrees Celsius. So पहले हम इसको blooming करेंगे, which is for around 30 seconds, 30 ml. So let's get started. So pour the water in a circular motion. Yeah, So that's 30 ml. We'll let the blooming happen and we'll let it go for around 30 seconds. So blooming is for waking up the coffee before it wakes you up. It releases all the carbon dioxide which has happened during the roasting and it opens up the coffee. So that's how blooming works. So it's almost time. Now we'll add in rest of the water. So we added 30 ml. Now we are going to take it to 120. So we are going to add So if you do not have a scale, what to do? So if you can see, there is this circular point right here. So वहाँ तक आप पानी भर सकते हो. So that's how you can. So now you can pour. You can pour it till this mark. So that's like a visual indicator.
So scared.
And that's it. Cool. So we have poured till around 120 ml water. We have taken 20 grams of coffee. And that's it. We'll let our concentrate brew for a while. Now this takes a lot of time because a South Indian filter is also a slow dripper. तो धीरे धीरे कॉफी एक्सट्रैक्ट होकर नीचे के चेंबर में इकट्ठा होता है और उस जो इकट्ठा होता है कॉन्सेंट्रेट उसको डिकॉक्शन भी बोलते हैं.
Okay.
Yes.
And it's done.
That's it. So once the coffee has been brewed properly and extracted, so the brewing is taking place right now. So once it's extracted, as you can see, drop by drop, गिर रहा है. So the extraction is taking place. Our South Indian filter is ready. So we'll have a look at the decoction. There. You can take a whiff of it. So we'll be trying it two different ways. We'll be having it as an iced Americano and an iced filter copy latte. So for the Americano, we are having some ice. We'll add around 50 to 100 ml of water.
Okay.
And now we will slowly pour in the decoction. And the remaining one, we are going to put it in the iced water. So there we have it. We have got our iced filter coffee latte as well as an iced Americano made using a South Indian filter. So now it's the taste test. We'll be trying the iced filter coffee first.
Cheers. Nice. But I did not like this one.
Ooh. Well, everyone has their own preferences. I think you need to stir this one a bit. So give it a nice gentle swirl since we poured it from the top. And now take a sip. Now it's better, I think. Now
Absolutely.
So this was the milk-based one. Compared to both of the others, this would not have the prominent flavor notes, but it's just coffee with milk. So now you will try the iced filter coffee Americano.
This I'm trying for the first time. It's different. मैं सोच रहा हूँ मैं explain कैसे करूँ, but the taste is different.
And so it's fun, right? Because
Yeah.
it's the same coffee beans brewed using 3 completely different methods and using like almost similar ratios, but they taste completely different.
Totally different.
Yeah. So far, we have tried 3 really easy, beginner-friendly brewing methods: the cold brew, AeroPress, and the South Indian filter. So, Pritesh, which one was your favorite so far?
So I would start by telling you my least favorite would be this one. That's my personal choice because मुझे milk-based coffees पसंद नहीं है. Then I would go for this one, and then I would go for AeroPress, and my most favorite was this cold brew because कोल्ड ब्रू मैं जनरली पीता नहीं हूँ, बट फर्स्ट टाइम आई लाइक सम कोल्ड ब्रू, और उसका रीज़न ये है बिकॉज इसमें कॉफ़ी का पिंच एंड दैट फ्रूटी फ्लेवर और वो सारा कोल्ड में जो मिक्स होके जो टेक्सचर आया है, तो आई लाइक इट फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम. आई लाइक दिस वन ऑल्सो, बट दिस is more on the hardcore coffee side, but this is something that I tried for the first time, so I would rate this one. आप बताइए अगर आप लोगों ने ट्राई किया हो कि इनमें से आपका कौन सा फेवरेट ब्रूइंग मेथड है, कौन सी फेवरेट आपकी कॉफ़ी है. सो दिस इज इट फ्रॉम दिस वीडियो गाइज. थैंक यू सो मच अनन्या, एंड स्पेशल थैंक्स टू Seolim Specialty Coffee Roasters for being our host for this space today. Thank you so much. Press all the right buttons and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you.